kids.
Your kids?
They're all lined up.
Well, you need to organize it then.
Yes, I do, in the table. He goes here, and he goes here and here. And he goes... And he goes there, and he goes there.
Is that one the driver?
No,
Oh.
this one is a seed, and this one is the dirtiest one.
The dirtiest one.
Yes, I played it all by my own because Dad painted it for me. Now I paint away. Right? Uh-oh. It all dried up.
Mm-hmm.
Says,
Oh, is she going to be the driver?
yes.
Oh, good. Do you want a new activity now?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Not
Just
yet.
need to sign